Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've come back with another video guys. So as you saw in the title, I decided to braid my hair actually. So this is how my hair turned out guys. I couldn't film just to save time, but I left some few locks to show you how you can braid over your locks. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as you can see, this is how far I've gone, and this is my wrist. So I tried to braid my hair. Actually, I started yesterday at around 2 p.m. and this is how far I have gone. Let me just come a little bit closer. So slowly I'll finish. I hope to finish today, and I'll come back with the final results. So guys, as you can see, this is how far I have gone. Guys, let me just show you the remaining part. Actually, my hair is not yet done, but I'm using the third pack actually. So this is how far I have gone, and this is how my hair looks like. Check out this is the remaining part guys. So I couldn't film while I was braiding my hair guys, because I got allergy on my face. I don't know what happened, and I started to scratch behind the ears. Then the rash, they started to move on everywhere on my face. So I couldn't film. As you can see also, my face still looks big. I've not yet. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with all over my head, and I left just 2 locks for you, this one and this one too guys. So the first thing what you need to moisturize your locks, and this is the type of the oil which I do use. Actually, it's almost over, and you need to moisturize your locks first before you braid them. And once you're done, then you can start to braid your locks. So I used 2.5 packs of appropriate braids. So actually I bought 4 packs, and this is the remaining one and another full one. So this is how long they are, but since I don't need that long braids, I decided to cut them into 2. So I cut them into 2, and most of the time I cut always the ends. So once they're like this, then I need to separate them. So once the braid is separated, then I go with my hair pomade. Actually, I use this just to smoothen the process. I apply hair pomade on my fingertips and also on the braid, because they are really very hard. So I apply some on my fingertips, then I separate it totally. So once I get to this extent, then the braiding can start. Let me just add a little bit more, just like this. Then I can start to braid. So guys, as you can see, my braid is ready. So I'm just trying to add a little bit of the pomade, then I'll start to braid. The first thing what I do, I try to twist my locks before I add the braids. Once I reach to this extent, I add a little bit of the braid with my locks so that the end So once I reach to that end, I take this part and I turn it around to make a loop so that I may skewer the braid. So yes, now I'm done. So guys, that's how you can braid your locks. So let me just show you the finished look, guys. I'll just take out my bun and I show you how my hair turned out when so guys I know my hair, they have started to make curls because I've been keeping them into a bun. And also to seal the ends, I dipped my braids into hot water. So you need to be very careful in that part because you can burn yourself if you're doing it from home by yourself. So this is how, so guys, this is how my braids looks like when I'm done. Actually guys, maybe you may ask how many days it took me to finish my entire head. Actually it took me 3 days because I was on and off. I was doing my things and also I had an allergy breakout on my face, so I had to take care of myself and I couldn't finish on time. So this is how they turn out, guys. Let me just show you. So check out this. I'm not a professional, guys, by the way. I'm braiding hair things. I'm learning slowly by slowly from YouTube. So yeah, I can say at least I can save some money. I don't pay no one to do my hair. So this is how my hair turned out. Let me just show you the back view. So guys, as you saw, that's how my hair turned out. And guys, so if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.